Watch this video if you want to create self videos using Gemini.
The first thing that I want to do is I want to modify the background of this image. I don't want to speak in front of Marine Drive itself. I want a confined text setup, which is where the first thing that I'll do is I'll open Gemini. In Gemini, I want to modify the background. So again, rather than writing the prompt, I'll use Gemini to assist me in creating this prompt. So I've written here, I have an image of me sitting in front of Marine Drive. I want to modify this using Gemini's Nano Banana model such that the background changes and I'm sitting in a professional studio like the one that MKBHD has or any other fancy tech creator has. And here is where Gemini creates a Nano Banana prompt for me. Change the background to a professional high-end tech creator studio and so on and so forth. So I have a prompt suggested here. Next step, we'll be using Nano Banana to modify this entire background that I have. So I upload the image and I paste in the prompt. And here is the amazing image that is generated by Nano Banana. Look at the consistency in terms of the output that is generated. It looks like a future-ready tech studio. All of this without writing a single line of code, without using any application. Now I'm happy with the image, so I'll download the image. I have my input image frame. Now I want to generate a Veo 3.1 or Veo 3 prompt so that it's able to kind of create the entire video for me. So using this base image, I write a prompt. For the above image, I am planning to create a Veo 3 based video where I say, watch this video if you want to create self videos using Gemini. Give me a Veo 3 prompt. It's basically generated 3 prompts for me, option 1, option 2 and option 3. So different styles in terms of how the video will be created, and I can use any style that I want, but let's start with the first style. You can generate the entire video on Gemini if you have a Google AI Pro account. The other alternative is what I'll show you. If you have some Google Cloud credits, the starting point is Vertex AI Studio. Once you land up at Vertex AI Studio, you can click on video. Now once you are here, I'll select Veo 3.1 as my model. My model is all set up. Now the next thing that I'll do is I'll upload the image that I've created using Gemini. I'll pass in the first prompt itself that was again generated by Gemini. And I'll wait for some time till the time Gemini generates the video for me. So let's wait for some time. Now the video has been generated. Let me go ahead and play this.
Watch this video if you want to create self videos using Gemini.
There was an unwanted transition that happened in this video, so I'm not particularly happy with this solution. So what I'll do next is I'll use the second prompt. That might give me a better result. So what I'll do next is I'll use the second prompt and I'll try to generate the response again. Let's see how the output is. The video is now ready and it looks good. Let me go ahead and play this.
Watch this video if you want to create self videos using Gemini.
And this looks fabulous. All thanks to Gemini and Veo models, I can create videos like this in literally no time. I hope this video was helpful for you to get started on creating your own AI clone videos. Thank you so much for watching this video.